Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Square, why I am buying more Square stock. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video, because that is my main goal for this channel and for this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do get something of value, smash that like button and subscribe, because it really helps me out. Also guys, we do have a course, so if you guys are interested in learning more about investing in the market, learning how to find undervalued stock, learning about fundamental and technical analysis, learning about REITs, dividends, taxes, retirement, I'll put a link to that down below, and you guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off. So it's definitely worth it. So now let's actually talk about Square. So for those of you that don't know what Square is one of the fastest growing companies and one of the most sought after stocks of 2021. Now with that, with that hype, this stock has absolutely been killing it. Look at the growth here over the past year. Now, not to mention, Square right now is heavily invested in crypto, and they make a lot of money off crypto for a variety of things. One, they bought around $1 million of Bitcoin a couple years ago. So obviously with that probably more than doubled or tripled. And then the second thing, they do own the Cash App, and they make millions of dollars from that, because on the Cash App you can buy Bitcoin, and they do take a little fee from that. Now with that fee, Square makes a huge chunk of money. Not to mention, Square just got approved, so they can now offer loans, which is pretty much just another revenue source, because now the Cash App is going to be very similar to a bank. Now, breaking down this stock chart here, you guys can see it has a beautiful upward trend. Every time the stock is sold off, we've gotten buying pressure, sold off, buying pressure, okay? So each of these lows are higher. Not to mention, recently, it found some very hard support at around $200. So almost every single time the stock has hit this $200 mark, we've seen buying pressure enter it. So buying pressure. So now, one of the main reasons why I am buying more Square, because I've been investing in this company now for a while. My average share price is around $143. So it's about right in here, okay? So this is pretty much when I bought in. So I'm up quite a bit on my investment, right? But I still want more shares. And why wouldn't I wait for a big sell-off in this stock? So really, that's what I'm doing. The stock is sold off. From the highs, it's sold off about 30%, 26% of value, right? So now I am buying this stock at a 25% discount. Now, for me, that is phenomenal, because I understand that, one, Square is going to continue to grow in the future. Now, with that growth, this revenue is going to only get more and more and more. And with that, the stock is going to continue to go up. Now, not to mention, guys, it does have some resistance here at around $250. So if I actually go ahead and draw that out, there's about a $50 window for a possible swing trade if you guys are interested in that. But for me, I'm just using this for a long-term investment, buying on a discount, and I'm going to hold it for 3 to 5 years. Now, I really believe Square carries a lot of potential in the short term, because it's on this hard support. So if you guys were going to hop in for a swing trade, I would set my stops right below this wick here at around $189. Not to mention, this 200 moving average line is slowly creeping up. So really, you could set it below that at around 100, that's just say 180, risk $20 to possibly make $50 or even $80. So that's a 1-to-2 ratio, and in some cases a 1-to-4 ratio. So you're risking $1 to make $4. So I think that would be a good investment and a good swing trade opportunity. So that's one of the main reasons why I am buying this. Now let's actually look at the financials. Okay, so let's actually go here. Scroll down here, and right here's the earnings. So you guys can see that they did miss in earnings all the way back in the first quarter of 2020. Now right here, you guys can see this was a beat here. They beat their earnings, another beat. So what do you think is going to happen? We've seen 3 consecutively beat earnings, right? Now let's scroll down here. Look at this financials, the revenue and earnings. So The revenue from 2017 was around 2.2 billion. 2018 3.3. Now 2019 4.7. Now look at this. $9.5 billion in 2020. That growth right here is almost parabolic, right? Because that's like a 50% or more that doubles. So it's like 100% revenue growth. That's literally one of the main reasons why I think this company is going to continue to grow. Not to mention, people are only getting more and more dependent on companies like Square that is heavily into the fintech. Not to mention, guys, looking at Square's margin is around 35%. So what that means is every time Square brings in $100, they profit $35, which is extremely good. Now, some of the better ones are companies like Visa, all of those, but this is still a smaller company compared to those. So yes, they can continue to work on this. And look at the revenue growth right in here. You guys can see, which is phenomenal. So I really think that this company does carry quite a bit of long-term goals and quite a bit of long-term, it's a perfect long-term opportunity. So that, guys, is pretty much one of the main reasons why I'm buying it and buying more of it, I should say. Buying on a discount, hopefully getting it at around 200, but I'll probably hop in at around 207 actually right now. Hold it 3 to 5 years and see where it is, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you got something of value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, guys, I understand we've been filming on the computer a lot. If you guys look, where is it? If you guys look very close, you guys can see that screen right there. It snapped off. So yes, I did order a new camera, and that will be here tomorrow. So there's just been really no other option but for me to film from the computer, but there's still been so much opportunity that it really hasn't caused a big issue. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.